Welcome to a Dash Training short presentation. I'm James Margheriti and I'm here to talk to you about Tecom Intrusion, Alarm and Access Control Solutions. And during this presentation, I'll discuss the main Tecom solutions and their key features. And to help explain, I'll go over a few different system designs. We'll also talk about DAS and what else we can offer as part of the Tecom solution. We'll discuss the Tecom software options, what is UltraSync, and the Tecom mobile app, the advantages of buying Tecom products from DAS, and warranty and support options. Getting stuck into it, Tecom have two main products to start your intrusion and access control solution. There is the Challenger solution that's been used heavily since the early 80s, offering intrusion and access control solutions. And there's the Network Access Controller, which is a new offering which is a pathway for a standalone access control solution. The Network Access Controller can also be utilized as part of a Challenger solution, making it a very flexible option, which we'll discuss more about as we progress in this video. To provide a bit of background on these two solutions, the Challenger, as mentioned, started all the way back in the early 80s, with the first model being called Challenger. There's been a few versions since then, with one of the more popular versions being the Challenger V8, which you'll find in sites out there using it today, as it still holds strong with the capabilities it offered when it was first launched in 1989. Then came the Challenger 10 in 2013, and as part of the Challenger 10, a new light edition was introduced called the Challenger LE, which was designed for smaller opportunities that didn't need the enterprise capabilities. The Challenger Plus was the next in the lineup, which is the current Challenger series. Continuing on from previous models, there is a main panel and a light edition, with the Challenger LE Plus. Challenger Plus series was first launched in 2019. As for the Network Access Controller, or commonly known as the NAC, it was first released in 2019, and a second model was released to include more functionality. But before we start talking about the NAC's capabilities, let's first take a look at the Challenger Plus series matrix. As you can see here, the Challenger Plus series lineup has the following onboard capabilities. Out of the box, you'll get 16 areas, up to 48 zone inputs, and 32 relays on the Challenger LE Plus, and 99 areas, 1,008 zone inputs, and 512 relays on the Challenger Plus. With the NAC, the solution is flexible. You can add this to a Challenger Plus to expand its capabilities, giving you more physical inputs and outputs to control more doors than what is on board the Challenger Plus. A second option for the NAC is to use it as a standalone solution by configuring it with the use of Tecom software. And a third option is to have it set up in standalone mode and have it synchronized with a Challenger Plus solution utilizing Tecom software. For more on the onboard capabilities and technical information of the Challenger Plus and the NAC, take a look at their respective data sheets. And if the onboard capabilities are not enough for your site, the solutions can be expanded with the use of input expansion modules, relay or output expansion modules, memory expansion modules such as increasing your user limits, and communication expansion modules, which gives you a wider range of connectivity. With all that packed into your Tecom solution, it's a great choice for an intrusion alarm and access control system. And to touch on a few key features that you'll find in a Tecom solution, let's start with the reliability of the product. As I've pointed out already, Tecom has a proven track record as older models of the Challenger are still out on sites and functioning as if they were installed yesterday. Tecom have developed their own elements of this solution, such as their Tecom Smart Card technology, making a more fortified design. And utilizing the range of expansion modules makes the design very scalable, in which you can grow your sites over time. There's a wide range of flexible communication options, which can be used to help secure your system with redundancies and backups. The Challenger Plus and Network Access Controller are both backwards compatible, allowing the use of Challenger 10 and Challenger V8 peripherals. It's a great way for reutilizing existing hardware or allowing you to upgrade the Challenger panel to take advantage of all the latest without impacting the rest of the site. Additionally, we have been providing technical training over the years, creating a wealth of knowledge in the industry, and with thousands of certified technicians, you can be confident there is a great variety of support, including our own technical support team. Let's take a look at how it could be designed for a site. Starting with something small where the Challenger Plus onboard capabilities are sufficient for the site. As you can see, you have the ability to add remote arming stations or keypads and sensors such as passive infrared sensors, PIRs, directly to the Challenger Plus, creating a basic system. As you progress into larger sites, you may need to expand the Challenger Plus onboard capabilities, or you may want additional modules to help with how you position and run cable to the area. As you can see, we can introduce data gathering panels or DGPs, which are an expansion module, and as discussed, we can even use the network access controller as an expansion module. With this design, I'll connect the Challenger Plus to an IP network to give me access to manage this site from anywhere using the Tecom software. And if I'm local to the site, I can connect my Tecom software to the Challenger Plus using the onboard USB connection. As for the accessory range, that can be part of the system design. Tecom have a range of products themselves and also work with a wide range of other accessory manufacturers. There are keypads, readers, biometric devices to operate your system. There's a huge range of sensors to detect activity and other input devices to let your system know when something has happened. There's output devices such as sirens, lights, and locks, and many more accessories including brackets and mounts. The list of accessories can get overwhelming, and at times you may not know what devices are going to be best to achieve your desired outcomes. That is why at DAS we have an all-star team that can help you with your Tecom designs. We can help design a solution with a range of options and even pre-configure your devices. We have multiple branches stocked full of these accessories that enable you to come in and grab it when you need it, with our helpful team members being able to answer your questions and a dedicated support team to help with any trouble you may experience. So let's go back and take a quick look at our previous system design and add some accessories to see what a complete design may look like. I'll add in some basic keypads, readers, sensors, and sirens, which are all products you typically see. And there you have it, a small example of a system design. It is becoming increasingly common to see users configure their systems using software rather than the keypads, which is the traditional way. However, software can be utilized for so much more, and Tecom have a few software options available, starting with the most commonly used software called CT Plus. CT Plus is used to configure the latest generation Tecom solutions, and previously the configuration software was called Titan, which was used for Challenger V8 and earlier models. Operators can take full advantage of a Tecom solution with the use of Tecom C4. Tecom C4 provides a way for users to operate their system in an easy and more visual interface. There is specialized software such as Forcefield that can be used to integrate your management and create a highly secure access point. And then an all-in-one solution called WMS Pro. This solution is being designed and released in stages to give you one package that does it all. And when connecting software over a network, it's critical that it is secure and safe so that your data is not compromised. UltraSync is Tecom's solution to assist in this area. With UltraSync, you can use the panel's serial number as a unique name to connect to the device. And in the background, UltraSync is making it all work securely over encrypted communication. You can even connect Tecom Plus mobile app via UltraSync. The Tecom Plus mobile app can connect to any Challenger Plus series solution, and you have a range of operating features such as arming and disarming, controlling doors and other outputs. You can see the system's history, which is great for a quick analysis on activity. You have the ability to edit user details, which is another great mobile app feature that can be done on the fly. And one of the most important is push notifications, which lets you configure different types of events to be used as a notification on your mobile device. To find out all the Tecom products that are sold at DAS, head on over to the Data portal. Our portal offers real-time pricing and inventory with full order tracking. Once you have logged in, you can browse to the Tecom catalog, which showcases the main product range. If you do not have your credentials, you can speak to any of our team members at our branches and they can help you out. And while you are on the portal, you may notice the huge range of other vendors. This is such a valuable advantage for DAS customers. It allows you to have a wide range of options when looking for specialized devices. A great example is when you are looking for biometric authentication devices, such as fingerprint or eye scanners. You can browse around on the portal and utilize us to help design and make sure it will all work together. Having worked with Tecom products since the early 90s, we are experts in all things. And our own products team, designed to focus on carrier, is made up of individuals with their own strengths and are very technically minded. As a team, they have years of experience from sales, designs, and technical support, which help them provide the best overall support. And to wrap it up, it's important I talk about the wider DAS teams that can help with support and warranty, starting with our solution design, configuration, and staging teams. Whether you have purchased these products before or installed them, we can help you out. We can get involved with the design in case you're unable to figure out the best solution for your site. And if you need us to configure any part of the design prior, we can get this covered too. If you're running into any trouble while setting it up or have any issues that cannot be resolved, our technical support team can get involved without the need to go to the vendor. And if the unlikely failure to a product happens, regardless of the warranty status, our repair team can assist with the back-to-base repair of the issue, and if they can't repair it, they can send it to the vendor on your behalf. Additionally, our training team can help you skill your business and end users from technical certifications, operational training, or tailored sessions for your own defined learning outcomes. Here at DAS, we want to help you with whatever we can, and that is the DAS advantage. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.